Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to verify age on Disney Plus. Before beginning, let me tell you that Disney Plus itself doesn't currently have a built-in age verification system. You cannot directly check a user's age on the platform. However, Disney Plus offers parental controls that allows you to restrict access to mature content based on age ratings. So here is how you can do that. First of all, open a web browser and type in disneyplus.com in it. Make sure to access your account by entering your account's login credentials. After you are logged into your account, go ahead and access your profile setting by navigating to your name at the top right. Now in the options, click on Edit Profiles. Select a profile you'd like to edit and click on it. There should be an option labeled Content Rating or something similar. Simply click on it and enter your password for your account. After you do that, click Continue. You will then be able to see the content rating option. Disney Plus offers a selection of age ratings. Choose the one that aligns with the appropriate level of maturity for the profile and click on Save. Soon after you do that, you can control what shows and movies are accessible on that specific profile. This will help ensure younger viewers aren't exposed to age-inappropriate content, and that is the only thing you can do about verifying your age on Disney Plus. So if you found the video to be helpful at all, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.